draw inspiration from the sky and the ocean. We choose blue as our identity, crafting a clean, sustainable future. We are deeply committed to nature, constantly cultivating innovation, leveraging cutting-edge technology to precisely capture every beam of sunlight. We hold the world in our hearts, creating a broader vision for the Earth, for all of humanity. Envisioning the future, we invite you to join us on this journey, using technology to enhance every aspect of nature, bringing benefits to every one of us. Deep blue, from the blue sky to the deep sea, safeguarding every breath of our planet.